everyone, I am Mohit
And I am Vikram from
from newGen Robo.
Today we made a project called Spider Robot. It is a futuristic innovation. It has 4 legs to move from one place to another place. It is designed to navigate through the complex spaces and perform different tasks like searching, rescue, and in its legs it can reach the places where human can't reach, which makes it useful in different situations. Thank you.
We'll be open, you'll be there.